Red Bulls. Oh, you're all out? Okay. There you go. Are you drinking the last one? Hanging out in the pits, checking it out. All right. Jeff Emig over there. Oh, there's Max. Hi. Hey, bud. Ah, somebody's having a bad day. Already. There it is. Somebody's having a bad day at the track. That is not the way you want to start your day off. Racing motocross is being carried off in one of those. This is the pit area.
Folks are on their way down. All eyes on the ground in the sky. Take a look at that corkscrewing down. up to that point. I want to hear those hands erupting when they get close. Folks, you about ready to kick off some motocross? If I can't hear you, they can't hear you. Let's go! Oh, say can you see? 30-second bonus up, folks. It's time to start clapping your hands, waving the shirts. We are about ready to go. It's the lead going to change. He'll back it. Hold on to him at the end of this one. It's anybody's guess. I got to tell you, some of the guys are going to go like Christian Barsha. He is only 7 points out. It could be a good race for him. You never know. That's the unpredictability of our new
Hey, Malcolm. Good. Max just wanted to say hi to you. He watches Bubba's World. Mrs. Stewart. All right.
Points right there. He's also going to pick up some points for 15th place here today. Man, oh man, what a great day. Podium is going to be coming up in just a little bit. Just like when you don't hear us talking, you just got to take the cues. If you see them talking on stage, that's when you guys can make some noise. Get your voice in the background.
It was just a really good race.
Man, we had so many great people. First and foremost, I'd like to thank all the fans for coming out here today, but especially the Parts Limited and Ford dealers and representatives. They got to hang out in the hot
Good race.
Talk about how good you take care of us. I hope you were taking care of a well-led age. I got to say, great racing. And you know what? Some of this footage you are going to see that's because it's been captured by the HD Hero 2 GoPro camera with so many attachments. You don't have to be a professional motocrosser to use it. You can actually use it on your bicycle, your skateboard, your surfboard. Heck, you can just use it as a security camera with some of the big SD cars that you can hit for hours and hours of footage on there. Great battery life, and I believe it's waterproof up to like 200 feet. I can't swim that deep, but if you do, you're protected. I'm going to tell you some great stuff besides that. I'm going to say, I may not go 200 feet deep, but man, I'm going to tell you my wings from Redbull,
By the way,
today, and then pick me up to Alice Fuel Metal. So I'm going to say thanks to our good friends at Redbull and Lucas Oil Products.
GoPro.
You know what, when you go out there,
Camera.
and you're